Hey guys, it's Jared Cook with the Perry Company. With hunting season right around the corner, we wanted to take some time, do a build, and showcase some of the best products from 2019 for your unit. What we have here up top is we've started off with a farm and ranch roof with the roof rack. We find that that'll be utilized well during this time of year. All of our farm and ranch tops come with an automotive grade headliner automatically installed. When we talk about doors, we only have one set of doors for this unit, but it's the only set of doors you'll ever need. Inside and out, these look great. Most of the custom builders are using our doors. You get a nice solid close each and every time. These are the go-to half doors for the season. When we talk about windshields, we have three options. We have a fixed, we have a tip out, and then we have the slider. What we're displaying here is the sliding unit. Again, for this time of year, we feel like being able to move that top pane of glass down gives you protection at the bottom, but also a lot of airflow as you're riding around on your unit. As you can probably not see, we have a polycarbonate backsplash now. This gives you great visibility. It's a great price point, and we're really excited to add this part to our line. So on any of these products, if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call. We can help you find a dealer in your area, and like I said, anything we can help with, call the Perry Company. Thanks.